good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Welcome to Untold Stories 9, Castlemania. I am gonna beat this tonight. This isn't after the last episode, this is a bit after, because I went to watch some whateverness. But this isn't part of the same different recording session, same part after, that I do remember very well. Because while we watched the recording, what we're trying to do. Now my question is, now that I have more arrows again, should I actually like try to do things? Also yes, the Stormward Shield is there because it gives armor toughness, and if I'm not mistaken, armor toughness is pretty solid against I'm gonna get arrows. I'm gonna get a bow and some arrows just to kill those skeletons. But I do have my Quarry 4 again, so that's nice. I'm glad I didn't wipe. I'm sad that I didn't wipe as well, because, I mean, wiping is the perfect punishment. It's a TM map, but whatever. I'm more glad that I have my stuff that I'm not. I'm honest, but like, still. At least it's hard for them to come back. So, that's the power 4 bow. Didn't I have like another bow in me? Oh no, that's down there. Yeah, that's in the stuff that is almost 100% lost. Power 4 time. And also like let's get some more water time. So, how have you all been? I hope you all enjoy my version and Vertigen's enjoying it, my how I'm defeating this area. Because it's a bit based. Let's be honest, it's a bit based. I'm gonna do a regen 3 potion at me. It's not an extra health potion, it's not gonna save me from in a bad moment. But it is more health without using the flask. So why the hell not use it? Okay, let's actually do something here. There we go, infinite water. So. Is there any way to deactivate that spawner that's there? So it's right under me. There we go, beautiful. Not a single missed shot, baby. Let's go. Fun. Not fun. Oh, great, more places. I have a few minutes. I have a few seconds, it seems, to go down there and get the wool. But everything is not like in the best condition for it to go. For me to get said wool. Honestly, it may be worth to go get that spawner. I can take solace in that these guys aren't coming for me. Oh wait, there's a gap. There's a gap that I just filled with water. Well, okay, then that works for me. There we go, broken spot. So, another episode of Renter. I'm basically ruining your map. This. So, honestly, can I just like blow you up? Oh no, you fell. Nice. That works better for me, honestly. Hello, Mr. Getaway. Nope. Oh, come on. Beautiful. Now. Thank you. No more arrows. Can I just tank these guys down here with the shield? More blazes. I saw the blazes. No. Dead. Dead. Dead with the power cord. 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 Oh boy. Boyhood. So, seems like those guys with the punch are an issue. I'm gonna go get the other 20 arrows. Oh well, I could have used those stars. Could really use those soul stars. But yeah, that's how the thing is going this episode. Oh, my efficiency for gold pick. I still have that one. Nice. Nice. Good to know, good to know. There's enough gold here to fix it if it ever breaks a lot, so let's use that. I cannot get over how weird my heart bow looks. I'm like a fucking shitpost. My boy really just said, just ignore me. Damn. So. The wool, the wool. Let's go. Get the fucking fuck away. Oh my god. Everything's burning too. Finally leave, I can finally leave, I can finally leave, I can finally leave. I can finally leave, I can finally leave. Grey wool cotton lads. I have the fucking grey wool. Suck my nuts. Suck my nuts. Surrender. So, what can I take? What is... I'm still gonna come back for everything, don't worry, but what can I take? What is worth it taking? I'm not gonna take the 26 things. So what can I leave that's in my inventory, right? What's worth it leaving? Take the armor. Then come back. Taking the stoneward shells too. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave this at the monument and I'm not gonna place it yet. And I'm gonna place it before I go into Blackwool. But I am not gonna place it yet. Because I am a sexy man who's gonna leave this before any shitty mobs not spawn me and kill me. Oh my god, I have grey wool in my inventory. Oh my god, I have grey wool in my inventory. I knew I saw it in one of the recordings. I knew I saw like a little pot there with those two things. I have grey wool in my inventory. Na 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 na. I have grey wool in my inventory. Na 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 na. I have grew wool. Yes, the grew wool. Let me tell you, boys, my happiness right now is a bit unmeasurable. I'll tell you that much. My god, boys. My god. I'm gonna finally be able to beat this map. Well, I say finally be able to beat this map. There's a whole last castle I've yet to explore. And I'm gonna guess that castle is the Castlemania. Get it? Do you get it? I believe that's the most engineered way of beating a wall since Hypercharged in Untold. Like my first time playing it. And I didn't play it blind. I'm gonna not place it yet. I'm gonna craft myself 2 new chests. I'll leave everything I don't need here. I mean, this I need to get the rest of the stuff. I'll leave one of the stomach shells. My god. You know what worries me? The fact that I'm arrowless. The fact that I'm arrowless worries me. You know what I should do too? I think I'm gonna do it right now, honestly, before I get my stuff back. Probably a bad idea, but then again, that stuff is probably safe. I'm gonna go over here to the Butthole Tower. And see where there was a chest with a hot bunch of loot. I'm gonna check if there's like, I know there's torches there and I really want those torches, but if I'm not mistaken there's oh, I should have taken up the armor to take the armor. Probably a bad idea, honestly. Probably shouldn't do that. I want to check if there's arrows, because if there's arrows in those chests, it's game over. This is, yeah, it's over here. It's like this big chest right here. Holy fucking Luja, boys. 3 stacks of arrows. Don't look at me, sir. I'm just passing through. There's a gas spawner over like this side of the town that I didn't get. Kind of get a steel spawner when I walk over here. The town was a fun part of the map. The town was probably one of my favorite parts of the map. Apart from like, probably some part in the early game. I really enjoy too. Nice window to nowhere. Very mean mob just spawned on my face. I should have taken those potions, honestly. Those Region 1 potions. Probably gonna have to take another trip. Oh, I should have taken one of the bundles, taking it with me. So just like take some coal. Damn it. Yeah, there's like loads of coal there that I want. I want my tools. I did take like 9 slots, but like it's torches and arrows. Like it's torches and arrows, guys. The arrows are probably the best part. I need to suit up. There's only black left. Holy shit. There's only black left. Holy shit. I'm gonna beat this map today, boys. I'm gonna beat the map today, boys. I have like 5 hours to record, so I'm gonna beat the map today. Hopefully, I don't record for all 5 hours. Hopefully, I just record for like 3. That I can focus on other projects after Castlemania. Probably Starblight Deserts after I finish like one of my Robot Combat series that I mentioned in one episode. If you guys want to like pass through my channel and watch those, like people in the CTMC community, please people like at least leave a like or something. The support helps, honestly. Although I believe this series has more merit because it's like you boys are watching me. You're not watching your participants in a tournament. Oh, there isn't that much stuff left here. There we go. Smart use of inventory. Come on, let me take everything. Damn it. This sword has been... You, sword, have been a great servant. You get left with the... penis... part. This has been an amazing sword. This is gonna take you the lower, but that's been an amazing, amazing sword. And here we go. Blessed setup. Ah yes. The perfect offhand for this map. Fuck you, Royal Mines. I never want to see you again. I never ever ever want to see you again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna suit up for black. I'm probably gonna mine some spiders in the cave at the start of the map. And yeah. Oh, please don't tell me. I think I don't have any more tomes of health. I think I lost them both. Maybe there's one like where we found it. I'm gonna go check it. Like now that I'm gonna go farm stuff, I'm gonna go check for it. But the chances of it being there aren't the highest, honestly. Let's waste the potion of Region 1. I say waste. I'm using it. I'm giving it a use and a purpose, so it's not being wasted at all. But I mean, yeah, it's not the. I heard a mob here with me, and I don't want to know what it was. Oh no, it's over there. Ooh, you do damage, boys. Axe combat, baby. So, this is a part of the castle I also haven't explored, I believe. Like yeah, like over here. I don't believe I've like done this part of the castle. Yep, I haven't done it. So. What I am gonna do is explore this episode, and then I'm gonna read here as if I weren't going to black. I'm gonna read here, redo my loot, my stuff, get it working. That boy felt faster. He felt way faster. I craft myself a lot of stuff. Oh well, I got my stuff back and I got gray. Let's go. Absolute dub. Oh, absolute dubbings, guys. Absolute cheeky dubbings. But yeah, I believe I lost my tons of health. All of 3 of them, I believe. Unless there's one here. I hope there is one here. Yes, let's. Yes, let's. Oh my god, yeah. I don't believe I have my phone anymore. Sadly. Blackpool's left. Blackpool is left, boys. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna beat this map. I'm excited to beat it, but I'm also happy. I'm happy, and like, of course, sad because the map is ending, but I beat the map anyway. So. Oh, here it is. I thought, where is it? Did I lose it? Didn't tell me I lost it. Yeah, I'm taking a stick of 20 of arrows because I have a lot of arrows, so I'm taking that. I have a good chunk of arrows, so I'm taking that. Taking you with me. Taking you with me. You're gonna be my sword buff for now. I'm taking you with me just for reasons of unknown. I'm taking you with me. I'm taking you with me. I'm taking blocks with me. Blocks. It will do for now. There's one left. Let's go. More torches. Sport is good. I had like 64. Yeah, 64 coal. This, that. Give me more blocks for now. Give me an almost empty bundle. Then anvil. You know where I'm gonna go, boys. I'm gonna take a boat. And I'm gonna go. Remember the Mushroom Island thingy? I'm going in there because I believe there's. Because if I'm not mistaken, I left some enchanted books there. This, I believe, is also a good idea to like scout the mobs that I'll be running into from now on. I mean, if you can call that a good idea. I think it's a horrible idea. Oh, I don't have so much looting, so I don't, goddammit. Okay, I'm gonna go put, like, look for that thing first. And put loot. If there's a looting, I'm putting it in the Bane of Atropat's sword. Arrows, yes. Why? Because I want more arrows. And I want those to enchant my armor in case I need to. Remember when I was here? Good days when all I had to do was conquer boats and not massive exploding caves. Surprised it took me this long to find this area, honestly. Don't think I didn't see that. I did see it. There's the book chest. I don't want to break myself. This was fun. I just don't want the job look. In my inventory. No bad blast, sharpness, fortune, efficiency, power, punch, damn it, no. No looting bow, no looting, damn it. It's also like only blast protection too. No protection. Chest plate, no nothing. I'm still gonna put it on my chest plate probably, on a good chest plate, or a new one. But yeah, that's harsh. Damn. What do you think you're doing, mate? Yeah. Give me your stuff, man. I counted myself. Sharpness 3 bow. Sharpness 3, yes. A bow with sharpness 3. A good idea. No, sharpness 3 sword. I believe that sharpness 3 sword will be really good. No, you know what? I'm gonna explore the rest of the castle. I very much doubt Ranger will give us that castle without giving us arrows. So more arrows probably. It's good. But yeah, I need to fix some stuff. I believe we fix bows with string, and if so, well, you know what? Yes, plenty. Yes, baby. I'm also gonna take the Bane of Arthropod sword, just in case I see like a spider dungeon, just quickly clear it. But yeah, I'm gonna explore a little bit left of the castle. Now, it seems like black does lead up to that part of the castle, so I may just be entering black and not knowing it. But yeah. Let's do my final charge, so. Taking 2 stacks of arrows, honestly. So. My boots, they don't need fixing. My chest, I have a new chest here. Too expensive, damn it. Okay, I have a efficiency 3 fortune 2 pickaxe for if I need it. Give me the sharpness. Give me the. We fix bows with bows, man. Yes, we fix bows with bows. 33 levels. I know that's a good attempt to play it. Like one. Just black left. Oh my wow, just black left. So, do we repair them with wood? I'll probably get enough, so like, yeah, getting there. Probably could use more blocks. Oh, my neck. I'll take you for the pickaxe, taking you, and I believe that's all I'm taking. Taking you as well. Let's charge the castle. Can you feel the... I don't know how long this episode's been, but it's been long. But it hasn't been the longest, honestly, so let me just get up. Fix my pants. And... Whew. Oh boy, doctor. Oh, doctor boy. Oh, I should have taken the other. Anyway, whatever. It's whatever. I probably can get a better pickaxe. It's a level above, isn't it? Yes, it's above. It's above. This is the part that I haven't explored. Where I found some skeletons. Castle clearing time, boys. Castle clearing time. Beautiful. I probably could have used that before. Where does it go exactly? What the? Built-in turret? Jesus, what a guy. Oh, nice. Does it end? No, it's just another chakra. Beautiful. Always. Didn't know that. Block. Is it just like this bit? No, but there's something above this. Something above this. Do I risk it for the biscuit? I'll risk it for the biscuit. Let's use brick so I don't forget which block I'm using. Let's get the right axe. Maybe there's nothing. But it's probably like a bit too far away from me to find it, and if so, it may actually just be the wool. Imagine it. I doubt the wool is there, mate. Render massive props and bolts for putting it there. I doubt it is there. I very much doubt it is there, but whatever. So I think I have to like. Well, I said I was gonna click like, but no. I'm also gonna end the episode here. I'm gonna get to black and end the episode honestly, because it's black. This episode has been long enough as well. I think I've been hitting way too many water drops this series. I don't think so. I think I'm good with my water drops, honestly. I'm not the worst player with water drops, I believe. Yeah, look at what I'm missing. The wool's not the wool's gonna be there. Yeah, where the castle opens is where the wool's gonna be. Let's just be honest. So the closer I get to it, the closer I'll get to it. Anyway, people, time to end the episode here. Next episode, I'll start black. And I don't know if I'll come back from it the same man as I start this. See y'all. Take care. I should have made another shield. Make another shield. But yeah. See y'all. Take care. Peace.